What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to be looking at some must-have devices for the all-new iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's check them out. Every great tablet needs a great case so that you don't break it. This is the Otterbox Symmetry Series 360, but I've been using this one on a daily basis. This is one of the best cases because it's going to cover the back, has a hard shell, it's going to cover your front, has a magnetic front, has microfiber lining, and it actually holds the Apple Pencil right here on the side. Now, I'm not going to do a try on of all this. I'm just letting you know what are some of the best accessories for this right now, but I've done a review. If you check below, scroll through some of my videos, there is a review and there are also some comparisons against other cases. But right now, this is one of the must-have accessories for that iPad 11-inch Pro. Next thing we're going to talk about is this. This is the Apple Pencil. This is the second generation Apple Pencil. Now, everyone knows that the Apple Pencil is one of the best devices because it's going to allow you to do things that you normally would not be able to do. For instance, take notes on the go just by tapping your screen. Also, in Notes now, you can swap your devices by double tapping on the pencil. So if you don't want the pen and you want to erase, you double tap, you go back to your pen, double tap, and you're going to erase. Just like that. So Apple Pencil Generation 2 comes in handy with this iPad. Also sticks to the side, it charges, it syncs that way. Apple Pencil Gen 1 will not work with this, so you must get the new version. One of the must-have accessories for this all-new iPad Pro. One of the most important things to notice about this new tablet is it has no 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, what you're going to have to do is get some of these AirPods, get some of these Beats, or whatever type of headphone that you like, or you're going to have to invest in one of these. This is by Dreamvasion. This is a USB Type-C to 3.5 and USB Type-C. This allows you to plug in to your USB Type-C adapter right here and still take advantage of regular headphones. USB Type-C down here gives you digital output so you can listen to music and whatever you need to through here, and you can actually charge your device at the same time. Now, Dreamvasion is going to do a couple of things for us in this aspect because now they give us this. This is an extender for your original charging cable. One side is female, other side is male. You're going to plug this in and now you get 6 extra feet of wiring. When you need to charge and you're just sitting in the bed and your charging outlet is a good piece away, you can use that extender to sit in bed, listen to your music, and still be able to use 3.5 headphone adapters. Just in case you don't have the wireless, Bluetooth headphones. Most people do have Bluetooth now, but if you still have these and you want to use them, you can with the help of Dreamvasion and these products. This is a USB Type-C hub. This is from KOMKEAR. Now, you're not going to be able to use a lot of this stuff on here. You can use the USB Type-C charging port that's on here, but we're mainly going to focus right here on this HDMI out. You can plug this into your tablet, plug HDMI cable in here and into whatever type of monitor or TV that you want, and get plug and play options just like that. So these are just a few devices that are going to make your life a whole lot easier with this brand new iPad. You have the adapter for your 3.5mm headphone jack. You have the case by Otterbox. You have the Apple Pencil Generation 2. The extender, these two are both from Dreamvasion. You have the USB Type-C hub. This is from KOMKEAR. And you actually have headphones of your choice through Bluetooth. So hope this is able to help someone. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.